Greetings to you, my beautiful people. Welcome back to this channel. My name is Rahma Idris. If you are new to this channel, please do subscribe to this channel. And if you have my returning subscriber, please, you are welcome back to this channel. Please give thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and give it press notification bell so that you get notified whenever I upload new video. You are welcome back, and thank you for being part of this amazing family where we learn chemistry, laboratory works, and lots more about sciences. Now today's topic is good laboratory practices. What is good laboratory practices? Good laboratory practices talk about demonstrate the system control of a good laboratory work. Good laboratory practices refer to the principle intended to ensure quality and integrity of laboratory studies. Good laboratory practices regulation are typically applied to study conducted for the purpose of research and development, regulation, submission, and quality control. So there are different characteristics of good laboratory practices. One of the characteristics firstly is documentation. In a good laboratory practices, documentation is very important to emphasize the importance of accurate and detailed documentation of all phases of study, including the protocols, the procedures, raw data, and results. Also, another characteristics of good laboratory practices include quality control. Quality control requires to establish a quality assurance mechanism to monitor and ensure the reliability of test results, including equipment, calibration, personnel training, and quality control procedures. Also, facilities and equipment is another characteristic. Facilities and equipment involve mandate use of appropriate facilities and equipment to conduct studies, also including laboratories that are designed and maintained to minimize the risk and contaminants and ensure the safety of personnel. Another characteristics of good laboratory practices include personnel itself, that all personnel that are going to be involved in laboratory activities are needed to be trained and qualified for the task. So they must be technical know-how and be able to be responsible for all the study conduct, that before any work needed to be done in the laboratory, there should be a study conduct about the work. And also this includes conducting study, including the use of standardized protocol, the proper handling and storage of chemicals and data, and the research that is being carried out. Also, data integrity is another good characteristic in good laboratory practice. This required to generate during the study to carry out accurate record, to have an accurate recording. So this requires all data generated during the study be accurately recorded, including observation, measurement, and calculation. Also, we also have archiving and retention. Archiving and retention in good laboratory practices mandates the archiving and retention of all study related to documentation and materials for a specific period of time, typically several years, until when they are needed, it will be brought out for the purpose of its use. Also, compliance with good laboratory regulation is often required by a good laboratory agency for approval of pharmaceutical or chemical or other drug producing company or subject to testing. Adhering good laboratory standards help to ensure reliability. Compliance with good laboratory regulation standards. This often needs to be carried out for approval of pharmaceutical company, chemical company, or other subjects that are carried out in the laboratory. This is very important for reliability, reproducibility, credibility, and non-clinical or clinical laboratory study. Importance of good laboratory practices. What are the importance of good laboratory practices? Quality assurance is number one. It is essential for quality assurance. It's also important for regulatory compliance and protection of human, animal, and environmental health. Also, data integrity and transparency is ensured with good laboratory practices. Cost of saving is cost saving because when procedure as follow, it saves a lot of error which can lead to loss of which can save us a lot of cost. So it also leads to international acceptance because when the data that are carried out in the laboratory are trusted, it will lead to international acceptance. The overall portrayal of good laboratory practices lies in its ability to ensure quality, reliability, and integrity of laboratory study, ultimately contributing to the safety, efficacy of products and the protection of human health and the environment as a whole. Thank you. And please subscribe to this channel. Let's keep coming back to the class and see you in the next class. Thank you.